welcome back to another episode of Cook Brothers Garage. I'm the Brain, and there's Pinky drinking her coffee. And on day is another unboxing video, and I haven't put the other unboxing videos yet online. Been too busy, as you see. Turned it to a 6x6, working on the rear. Got some hubs, axles, welding, grinding, all that good stuff. And plus, I was doing a lot of working on other people's stuff. That's how you make money. So here's Pinky to hold the camera. Turn the camera around, towards me, Pinky. And here is the rest of that kit from right here. And Ventrode. I don't know if you can see it. Ventrode. It's where you learn about program stuff. And that was that one set that I got a while back at 30 Days Lost in Space from Radio Shack. This is the parent company, so I went to their website and ordered just basically all electronics and doodad stuff they had. So I can keep on keeping on and learning more about electronics. So let me get this sucker open now. Ooh, fancy. Boxes inside of boxes. My favorite. Oh, here is Adreno starter kit. Oh, you get a pretty thing to put all this stuff in. Oh my goodness. Wow. It tells you what all the stuff's in there. So I got multiple boxing videos today, apparently. Ooh, fancy. Wow. You got a big old book. That come in handy. Then you get little stickers. Then you got the breadboard, you got the circuit board, you got the DC servo motors, liquid crystal display, USB cable, and electronic components, all in the little boxes. And then you got the little plastic doodads. I guess you put together and make it do things, like little robots and stuff. Which I still got to assemble that drone kit I bought from Radio Shack. So, I got a lot of content ahead of me. The only reason I didn't do the 30 Days Lost in Space is because there's always other channels that had that and done that. Oh boy, here's a Adreno Nano board. And then it tells you the memory and specs on the board on the back. And that's what the nano board looks like. The Adreno. That's the little nano board. Isn't that cute? And of course you got paperwork inside for that. There we go. Right there. And then next size up, I think, is the same size as the Hero board that comes in that 30 Days Lost in Space kit I got from Radio Shack. This is the company who made that, and they get their own board. This is what they board based off of. It looks almost identical, except you get this nice little plastic thing for it to sit on. The other one didn't. And tells you the things on sale. And then you got that big old chip. So this is great stuff. And then you got the mega board here. So you do even more projects. And of course you get paperwork with it, which is inside the box. I don't feel like fiddling with it. So I have a long day today. About dropped it. Alright. And this, let's see. This is the Hero Big Kit N37. So it must be more electronics. Yep. Boy, they do package this stuff really well. And then that's for Margaret for later. She likes that snap, crackle, pop. Alright. As you see, got that. We'll open this up real quick. And look, you got the Hero board in there. It's just like that 30 Days Lost in Space, except this comes straight from the company instead of from Radio Shack. And this is the expanded kit. And yeah, got a little bit better components in this one. Except for the Hero board. The Hero board is the same on either one. And then you got all the other little electronic doodads that you get to learn how to operate. And you learn all that and go on the website and get the free training. And another unboxing. Alright, let's see what this is. Oh, this is the shield eyes. See, Adventure shields. This would, you could do a lot. See, and that just plugs right on top of those other boards. I think I can show you better with this one. See? Yeah, unplug, just plug right in there. Just got to straighten a couple of them pins out, but they probably got bent in shipping. But they ain't no biggie, as long as they ain't broke off. But a bunch of more little electronics and little things make like a little robot and whatnot. Got little servo motors. And all that's there. And finally, one last. It's the Mega Kit Set. Guess I didn't need my knife after all. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Comes with the battery. Ooh. A nice full-size breadboard. Ooh. LED. And then there's a little board you can solder up yourself. Prototyping shield version 0.5, so it's a prototyping shield. That is pretty nifty. Then all the electronics in the bags there. And there's more electronics. I'm going to have my hands full having all kinds of fun. But the box is a little bit damaged on this side, but hey, at least I got it all. And it's all in one piece. And this is not going to be as permanent home anyways. I got another box. I'm going to put all this in. Guess I wanted to hold that one. Well, you know what that went to. There it goes. Goes there. So, there's all that stuff that I ordered. And I'm going to learn a lot. And it's going to be fun. But I'm the brain, and here's Pinky. And that's it for Cook Brothers Garage for today. We'll see you next time.